The journey begins, taking the first bite.
Digestion starts as soon as you take a bite of food. Chewing breaks food into smaller pieces, while saliva mixes in enzymes that start breaking down starches. This makes it easier for the rest of your digestive system to handle, and marks the first step in turning what you eat into usable energy for your body.
Down the hatch. Swallowing in the stomach.
After chewing, food travels down the esophagus and enters the stomach. Here, powerful acids and enzymes further break down the food into a semi-liquid mixture called chyme. The stomach's churning action mixes everything, helping to release nutrients and prepare them for absorption later in the digestive tract.
Small intestine, unlocking nutrients.
Chyme moves from the stomach into the small intestine, where most digestion and nutrient absorption happen. The pancreas and liver add enzymes and bile that break down fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. Tiny finger-like structures called villi line the small intestine, absorbing nutrients into the bloodstream for your body to use.
Nutrient absorption, fuel for your body.
Nutrients, such as glucose, amino acids, fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals, are absorbed through the walls of the small intestine. They enter the bloodstream and are transported to cells throughout the body. Here, they're used to create energy, build tissue, and support essential bodily functions, powering everything you do.
Waste removal, the final step.
Leftover materials your body can't use travel to the large intestine, where water is absorbed and waste is formed into stool. This step completes digestion, with waste eventually leaving the body. The energy and nutrients extracted along the way are now hard at work, fueling your life and activities,